Here's a text question about he's got an ex-girlfriend that will not leave his home. She does not pay rent. How does he remove her from his house? And, the bottom line is to get somebody out of your house, there's really only three ways to do it. One is they hand you the keys and say, I'm gone. Two is they abandon it. Or three is you get a court order to kick him out of there. And what that kind of reminds me of, Chrissy, is that, you and I have almost 1,000 videos on YouTube, and so we can monitor through analytics which videos are watched the most over the history of time. And right up there in the top 10 are 2 or 3 videos, something like this, that we made, and that is, how do you force your son or family members or ex-girlfriends or children to move out of your house? And I find it fascinating that so many people are searching this question about how to make a child, ex-girlfriend, or family member move out of your house. Like it must be a real common problem.
I believe it is more common than you would think, where people have opened their homes to family members and then those family members will not leave. And it comes down to, at least in the state of Florida, sometimes you have to go through formal eviction processes.
So here's our 5th most watched video of all time. We're talking over 10,000 views. That video is titled, How Do You Force Your Child to Move Out of Your House? And now I'm a lawyer, folks. We're talking about legal advice. It's not like, Dear Abby kind of thing. So it's kind of fascinating that people have that issue or concern that they don't know how to make their kids leave. It's kind of funny, but I guess it's not funny at the same time.
And if you want to check it out, go to our YouTube channel, which is Lawtube.com on YouTube, and you can check it out for yourself if you are interested to see that.
Yeah, or on YouTube, you can say the title of the video is How Do You Force Your Child to Move Out of the Home? And that will pop up, and I'm sure it was the same thing. The bottom line is there's no self-help. You can't change the locks, folks. There's really only 3 ways to do it. They hand you a key and they're leaving, or they abandon it, or you go get a court order. And that's not just for tenants. That's for family members too, including your child if you want them out of your house.
Exactly.